Here I have VIVO Y01, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down a combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So here in the Fastboot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have only two options, reboot and recovery mode. So if you want to restart, if you want to quit this mode, just select option reboot and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.